Where does the name for Graig Fawr come from? So today we're on a hill just at the back of Melidon in Denbighshire. So the name's made of two parts. First we have Graig. Now, Graig is the soft mutated form of Craig, which means a crag or a rock. It's soft mutated because originally it had the word meaning the before it, so the rock. And then we have Fawr, which is the soft mutated form of Mawr, because Graig is a feminine noun, so it mutates the adjective attached to it. So it's a Graig Fawr, the big rock, the big crag. Now, Graig Fawr used to have the remains of stonework from a castle that began construction here in the 1240s by Henry III, but none of that remains now. So the name means the big rock, the big crag, something along those lines. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe. And if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, you can on my Patreon. I'd really appreciate it. Diolch, thank you, have a good one.